In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get a free plane here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have completed the GTA 5 online tutorial. Whenever that is done, essentially open up your phone and go to the internet browser. And from here, go ahead and select travel and transport up at the very top. From here, just scroll down. And what you're looking for specifically is going to be this Alita's travel thing right here. Select this, and whenever you are on this site, scroll down a little bit and you're going to see this option to sort by price. Go ahead and select that, and from here it is going to sort it immediately to the lowest option right here. Now there is a few different options that you could go ahead and do. And if we're being honest, I would definitely recommend getting all of the free options. You're going to have a free helicopter as well as a free plane. But in this guide, we're just going over, a free plane. Essentially select it, and then you're going to see an option to buy it now. Go ahead and choose that, and it's going to say purchase pending. And then, of course, it's going to say sold. When you back out of this option, you're going to see, now you do technically own this, and you're probably going to call in just a few minutes after purchasing that plane. From here, you could open up your GTA 5 map, and if you actually zoom out in this section right here, you'll see wherever the plane has spawned for you. Just go ahead and set a waypoint, go to that location, and whenever you arrive, you'll see the plane waiting for you. Just enter it like you would a car, and you are ready to fly. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.